Hello, this short tutorial is about Team Drives, which were launched by Google in March this year. Many of you will have noticed this Team Drives button appeared towards the left of your Google Drive. They're designed to make it easier for teams of people within an organisation to work together and to share files. So within a school you might imagine that you'd have a Team Drive for your department, a place to store and share files that you all need access to. There's a key difference between your own Google Drive and a Team Drive, and it's to do with ownership. When you create a file in your own drive, you remain the owner of that file. You can share files, of course, but if you were to leave the school, then remaining colleagues would lose access to the file. The file would go with you. Files that are saved in a Team Drive are owned by the school, so they remain available even if you leave. The other neat feature of a Team Drive is that you can create different permissions for members of the team, and those permissions apply by default to all the files in that drive. So if you have edit access to the drive, you have by default edit access to all the files. If you have comment access to the drive, you have comment access to all the files. And the Team Drives have all the features that your own Google Drive has, including the quick access bar, which is really clever and uses machine learning to work out which files you're most likely to want to use at any time. So to create a Team Drive is easy. I just click on Team Drive. These are the ones that I have already created. I click the New button up here in the top left, give it a name. I'll just call it B Drive. Click Create. It takes a few moments to work. You can see down here, and then in a moment the drive will be created. It gives it a theme. You can change that and put your own pictures and make it look as you want. If you click here, you'll see that you can add members, you can manage members and change their permissions, you can change the theme and add your own pictures, you can rename it, and you can search within the drive. Creating documents to go in your Team Drive is as easy as it is in any Google Drive. So you just click New. If I wanted to create a Google Doc, then I would come here and create a blank document. I've got sheets, slides, and some more options here. The likelihood is, of course, that you're going to want to move files from your own Google Drive into the Team Drive, and that's very easy. I'll just open up the list here and go back to my drive. Now let's imagine that I want to move these few files here into my drive, so I can just click and drag and select those and then just drag them into the B drive. Now it won't let me move files that I don't own into a Team Drive, and at the moment it won't let me drag a folder into a Team Drive. So if I were to try to take this folder and move it into the B drive, you'll see that folders can't be moved into Team Drives yet. The word yet suggests that it will happen soon. However, what you can do, if I go back to my B drive, is I can upload files and I can upload folders. So although I can't drag a folder yet from my own drive into a Team Drive, although incidentally I can drag a folder from one Team Drive into another Team Drive, but let's imagine that I've got a folder on my own Google Drive and I want to load the whole folder into my Team Drive. I can use the folder upload, which will open up a window here. Now if you've downloaded the Google Drive app to your computer, then you'll be able to see here you can select Google Drive. I could select the folder there and choose to upload the whole folder. So although I can't, I'll just cancel that, although I can't actually drag a folder, it's pretty much as easy to do it. If you haven't downloaded the Google Drive app to your computer, then if you come over here in any Drive window, I can do it in My Drive, click on the cogwheel, click Download Drive, and it'll take you to a page where you can download the app, and then it's as easy as that. So Team Drives are great. Enjoy using them. I hope this tutorial was useful. Thank you very much.